Welcome back to another episode of Misplaced Garage. So last video, I don't know if it was 2 videos ago or what, but I got both of the heads out. I'm waiting on some more parts, but I figure I can start cleaning some of the stuff up. I ordered this water pump, a Gates pump, and it looks very nice, so I'm gonna throw that in as well. Actually pretty dang easy. So this threads in perfectly over here, and then over on these heads it doesn't even begin to thread in. Like there is no thread grabbing happening at all. The tip of this won't even fit inside of the hole, so that is a major problem. I'm going to have to find another bolt that's exactly the same. A couple days later, I ordered some more parts. Things are taking a long time, but I got a few more hoses and stuff, so now I can get ready to start putting everything back together. The one thing I'm having issues with is the bolts on the fronts of these engines. They are different sizes, so I have to order another kind of bolt because these heads didn't come with those bolts, unfortunately. But I can start getting all this stuff ready to go to be put back on. Alrighty guys, well today I'm actually going to be attempting to put one of the heads back on. I hope that I have it all timed right and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to spray it all down with some carbon choke cleaner just to get the surface nice and clean, and hopefully it should go good from there. I guess I will find out because these heads are deathly heavy, so here we go. Alrighty, it's time to get this next head on here. I barely got the driver one on alone, so I got my buddy John here. He's gonna give me a hand, throw this thing on, and hopefully one day we can get this bad boy running. So over here on the engine, I'm going to go through and make sure every single one of the bolts is hand tight, in which I'm pretty sure I already did that, but I'm going to double check my work. I've got the torque sequence here, so that will help me out tremendously. And I'm going to go off of this, so 28 to 31 foot-pounds. I'm probably just going to do 30, and then I will do the additional 90 degrees and then an additional 90 degrees per step. So we'll see how it goes. Alrighty guys, here's another day working on the 99 Cobra. I just got 2 more parts in, which are these camshaft sprocket gear bolts. So I hopefully only needed to replace the 2 because these ones are too large of a bolt and they won't fit in there, so hopefully these will thread in. I have to do something, unfortunately, I don't really like the thought of, but to tighten these bolts down I threw a set of vice grips on the camshaft so it doesn't spin, because this has to get torqued down to about 65 foot-pounds. Since I don't actually know how to properly time this engine, I'm not going to give you guys a how-to on how to do it, because if I do it wrong and then you guys do it wrong, you'll come back and blame me. So I'm just gonna leave this part kind of out of it, because this is a major key component to doing it. Alright guys, well, most of the main parts to the engine are back on, and I'm gonna leave this video there. So if you enjoyed this process of seeing this engine come back together, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.